Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to reset your controls in Megabonk. What do I mean by resetting your controls? Well, to put it simply, it is resetting your keybinds and your controller inputs to the baseline, the way the game, started. First, you will need to open the settings. Then make sure you're in the controls section. As you can see, under keyboard input, I set forward, backward, left and right to the arrow keys. And if we scroll down to the very bottom, under extra, we can hit reset controls. This doesn't prompt you with anything, so you may be mistaken to think it doesn't work. But if we scroll up, as you can see, my keyboard input got reset to the base line, and it is set once again. Well, after resetting your controls, you can set them once again, or simply tap the X button and close the window. And well, you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.